Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the Vault app version and device OS. This matters because different releases change reset flows. Once done, make sure the device is unlocked and connected to the internet and plug in power to avoid interruptions. Next, find your master recovery key, registered email, or backup code. These are the credentials the system will verify. If you don't have a key, proceed with the account recovery path. Otherwise, choose the recovery key option to start the reset sequence immediately. Now you verify identity through the chosen path. Select recovery key or email verification depending on what you have. Once selected, enter the codes exactly. Spacing and capitalization matter because mismatches trigger lockouts. After verification, the app prompts you to set a new PIN or password. Pick something unique and use a passphrase if allowed. Make sure to confirm both entries. The system compares hashes, so a single typo will fail. If you have encrypted Vault data, the app may re-encrypt using the new key once verified. Finish by allowing the app to re-encrypt your Vault and sign back into any sync services. This ensures restored access across devices. Once complete, store the new recovery key securely. Use an offline backup or a password manager, because this prevents future lockouts. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and retry the exact verification steps. If errors persist, check device time and internet, then contact support with error codes. A single retry after correcting time or code entry often resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.